Alright guys, I'm about to let y'all in a little secret. I do have one of the hottest one-story, 2-car garage townhome. What I mean by hottest, one of the most affordable in town. 1-story, 2-car garage in a 55 plus community here in Charlotte. I'm on my way to put the key in the lockbox. The seller, they just finished doing the last minute touch up over the weekend. Today is Monday, and I'm going to make sure everything is good so we can finish up and put this property on the market. So I wanted to let you in a little secret, give you a quick tour real quick and show you this property here. 1-story villa, 2-car garage, less than $300,000 in a 55 plus community. You can't find it anywhere else. So come on, let's go check it out. Okay, here we are going into this community. Alright guys, so I got the hottest villa, 1-story townhome with a 2-car garage in town, okay, in one of the safest, best 55 plus community. What I mean by the hottest, my price would be anybody around town. Yes, my price would be anybody around town. So let me go ahead real quick and show you this townhome. So I'm here to put a key in the lockbox, make sure that they just finished construction, make sure the house is ready for us to go on the market. But I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek. Today is Monday, they just got done yesterday Sunday. So let me give you guys a sneak peek of the house, the area, and give you guys a tour of this home. So let's go. So let's see here. So this is the corner. There's my car right there. So this one here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So this very new appliances. From this home, you have a 2-car garage. So you come in, you walk in, that's your 2-car garage. You step in, you have your laundry area. Using as a storage right now for, so they just got done doing some construction as I mentioned to you. So I just want to make sure everything is good, ready to go, which looks good. So here's your kitchen. Here's your living room area. You got a gas fireplace. Very open concept, very open. Now you go back here. You have your first full bath. You come in. You have 1 bedroom here. Your second bedroom. This is more of the primary bedroom. You have your ensuite bathroom. And on this side you have your walk-in closet. Overall, this is a very nice, cozy, 1-story, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story townhome here in this 55 plus community. I was just talking to the neighbor, Miss Barbara. She's been living here for about 20 years, and that's how settled she loved this neighborhood. You are right off Albemarle Road in 28227, 5 minutes from Mayhill, about 5 minutes from I-485. This property here is just ideally located. You take Albemarle Road, you take it down straight, and you are uptown Charlotte. about 20 minutes. So when you're looking for a 55 plus, less than 300,000. Yes, I am the only one with a 55 plus townhome less than 300,000 in Charlotte at the present time. Yeah, call me 704-904-5152. I would love to show you this home. This will not last. I'm giving you a sneak peek before we go on the market. So if you're looking for 55 plus, give me a call so I can show you this home. We'll see you next time. Bye. So let's tour this community. The pool house. The community pool house of Trellis Point. You can see. This is just give you an idea of the community. All villas, 1-story, 2-car garage. Guess what? It's across the street. Target is right across the street from you. And if you make it right, there's Chick-fil-A. That's Chick-fil-A. And you on the main road, Wells Fargo across. So when it comes to location, this home here is perfectly located.